Nice to meet you again, my student. Long time no see. For today, we will discuss about how to solve HCF and LCF problem. Before we move to that topic, the first thing you need to learn is about multiple and factor. We already learned about multiple and factor in the last meeting. So, for today, our focus is learn about how to solve HCF problem. Let's start the topic. Okay, before we try to solve HCF problem, you need to know the meaning of HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Like I told you before, you need to learn how to find the factor of number given. You already learned about it in the last meeting. So, to solve the problem about highest common factor, for example, how to find the HCF of 8 and 12. We have three ways to solve this problem. The first way, I can say finding whole factors of numbers given. The factors of 8, what is the factor of 8 and what is the factor of 12? You need to find the factors of 8 and 12. The factors of 8 is 1, 2, 4, and 8. And the factors of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So, the common factor of 8 and 12 is 1, 2, and 4. So, you got this one. And then, our focus is highest common factor. So, based on this one, you can easy to know the highest common factor of 8 and 12 is 4. That is the first one. Okay, next we move to the second way. The second way, using factor tree. So, you need to find the factor tree of 8 and factor tree of 12. How to find the factor tree of 8? You need to divide 8 by the prime number. Start from the lowest prime number. The lowest prime number is 2 because only 2 can divide 8. So, if you divided 8 by 2, you will get 4. And then continue that process, divided 4 by the prime number also, and start from the lowest prime number. The lowest prime number is 2, so the result is 2 again, and 2 divided by 2 again, and you will get 1. Stop the process until you get 1. Same like this one. Find the factor tree of 12. Factor tree of 12. Start from the lowest prime number. So, 12 divided by 2 equal to 6. Continue that process again, and you will get 3 divided by 2. You get 3, and divided by 3, you will get 1. Stop the process until you get 1. So, and then, after that, you can get the prime factorization of 8. The prime factorization of 8 is the prime number that you already used to divide 8 become 1. So, there are 3 2's here. So, you will get the prime factorization of 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, or you can write like this, 2 to the power 3. And then, prime factorization of 12, you got 2, 2, 3. So, you will write like this, 2 times 2 times 3, or you can write 2 to the power 2 times 3. And then The HCF is which one the common factor of them. This one, the prime number is 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 2. Use the common factor that has lowest degree. The lowest degree is 2 to the power 2. Yeah, so you use 2 to the power 2. Don't need to put 3 here because there is no common factor of 3. Yeah, so you just use 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 2 equal to 2 times 2, and the HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. Same answer like the first way. Okay, we move to the last way, or we can say the third way. The third way we call division method. If you want to use division method, you need to draw like this and put 8 and 12 here. And then what you should do, you need to find the prime number that can divide 8 and 12. Start from the lowest prime number. The lowest prime number is 2. 8 divisible by 2 and 12 divisible by 2. So we can use 2. Write 2 here. And then divided 8 by 2, the result is 4 divided 12 by 2. Also you got 6. And then you have 4 and 6 now. What is the prime number that can divide 4 and 6? The answer is 2. Why? Because like I told you before, start from the lowest prime number. So 4 divided by 2, you will get 2, and 6 divided by 2, you will get 3. Can you get the other prime number that can divide 2 and 3? The answer is no. There is no one prime number that can divide 2 and 3. So after that, stop the process. And then to find the HCF, you just multiply the number that you use in here, and then you will get 2 and 2. So 2 times 2 equal to 4. So the answer is same like the first way and the second way. And then you can choose which one better for you, which one easier for you. Depend on you. Okay, that's all the explanation about how to solve HCF problem. So, which one the way that easier for you? Depend on you. You can choose anyone. Remember to try at home and see you in the next video.